It's Trishawn, owner of Big Girl Hair Extensions, if you're new. But I'm here on New Year's Eve, and I kind of wanted to touch base with you guys and show you guys my vision board. It's not completed, but I'm just going to go through and show you guys what I have so far. So in a previous video, I did talk about vision boards and manifesting the life that you want to live. And so although my vision board is not completed, I still kind of want to show you guys, if you're new to the whole idea of vision boards, I kind of want to show you what one looks like. So you can go to any craft store, you can go to Walmart and just get you some poster board. These I got in the pack, and I think they came from Walmart, I can't remember. You can even go to the Dollar Tree and get you some little stickers. Magazines are very important. All you do is just cut out things that resonate with you, that have to do with your goals. So I'll kind of go through some parts of my own vision board and kind of show you what they mean to me, or rather tell you what they mean to me. So take control, right? So sis is working on her temper. Yes, me, I have a temper sometimes. Sis has road rage. I don't want to bring that into my 2020. So I need to be working on that. Also, as you can see, this woman kind of working out. Like, I want to start doing yoga. That's something that I've always wanted to do. And so 2020, although I could have did it 2019, like, I'm really putting my foot down and saying this is what I'm doing. I'm setting aside that time to do yoga. What else? So this section pretty much is having all to do with my business. So as you see, hair, I got that out of a hair magazine. Learning. There is so much left for me to learn. So let me tell you this. Never think that you have it all figured out. Because at the point where you feel like you have it all figured out, you're not going to try to learn anything new. And that's never good. You always want to be teachable. So learning some new things. See, I got YouTube on there. I don't know if you can see it. But I want to start bringing you guys more informative content. I realize that some people may also want to start their own hair businesses, and I want to just bring information that is useful to those people, just as well as consumers of my products. Oh, this right here is a good one. I can't tell you guys how many people want me to lower my prices for them. So before I launched my hair company, mind you, it'll be a year March 1st. I did a lot of research. I didn't just stumble across a vendor and start selling hair. Like, I take it very seriously. I did a lot of research, okay? I wasted money trying to find vendors that weren't good. Like, I went through the entire process to find solid vendors for my customers, because I care that much. I don't want to just sell anybody a product just to make money. Like, I want people to feel good about their product, and I want people to feel good about their investment. So I put in a lot of time, a lot of research, a lot of money into finding solid vendors, and I don't appreciate people trying to talk me down on my prices, when if you look around, I have the cheapest prices that I've seen on raw Indian hair. Okay? I do not source hair from China. I do not go on AliExpress. I sell raw hair. Okay? That's it. Raw hair. What else? I added these flowers because sis wants to bloom. Okay, I want my business to bloom. I want to bloom in my personal life. So that's why I put those flowers there. Yes, get a little creative. And then this is like aspects of home. See, I put home right there. So I want to start once a year taking my family on a trip. Now, we did so last year in 2018, but 2019 I did not do that, and so I really want to buckle down and make that a yearly thing, that we at least do one family trip, at least every year. Yes, so family activities, I want to get back. I used to do family fun night on Fridays, and I'm not going to lie, with work and running this business, sis is tired. But that's not fair to my family, so I need to really do some reworkings with my schedule, because my family is important to me, so I have to make the time. Like, it's really no excuse. Like, my family comes first. Yes, and make their dreams a reality. So my dreams are important, but the things that my children aspire, the things that my family aspire are important to me also. So I want to be helpful in helping them to manifest the things that they wish to have in their lives as well. Oh, down here, good nutrition. So with being super busy, I don't always eat the most healthiest things. So I want to get in the habit of eating more fruits and vegetables, eating meals that are not processed, that whole thing. So there are a lot of things that I have not yet put on here. But one of the things that I'm really super, you guys, my phone is having some storage issues, so the video just cut off on me. I had to delete some stuff. Okay, but before I got cut off, I was going to say one of the things that I'm excited about in 2020 is gardening. So I want to start gardening vegetables that me and my family already consume in this journey to eating healthier and just being healthier. What else? Oh, as far as the business, I got some smoke coming for y'all, and I'm super excited. I'm super excited. So 2020, I will have available full lace raw Indian wigs. Okay, so right now I do make custom closure wigs. We have bundles, of course. We have t-shirts, of course. We have closures, edge tamer, but I'm stepping the game up on the raw wigs. So I cannot wait to bring that to you guys. I have some other things for you guys, but I don't want to spoil it all. I just kind of want to surprise you guys. So I won't spill all the beans, but you can definitely look out for full lace wigs, and they're going to be affordable. Like, I'm not charging y'all $700. $800 for a full lace wig. I'm not doing that. You know, over here it's affordable right here. That's what we do over here. So I'm super excited for that. Like I said, I have some other things in store for bigger hair extensions, but I'm not going to say it. Okay, I just can't help myself. I'm gonna give you a hint to something else hair related. So I may or may not have some product coming for the hair underneath the wig, if you get what I'm saying. Okay, and that's it. Like, that's it. I'm not gonna say nothing else. But yes, I did want to come to you guys and share with you my vision board and some of the things that I'm looking forward to in 2020. So comment below, if you will, and let me know, what are you guys excited for going into 2020? If you have any questions for me, you can leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks guys, and happy early new year.